Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Studies for Class 3. This is Chapter 2 Graphical User Interface, and in this video I am going to cover these three topics: Graphical User Interface, Components of Graphical User Interface, and different components of desktop. So let us start with the first topic, interface. So interface is actually a surface through which two elements interact with each other. Means if you are using your smartphone or your computer, so whenever you open a software or an application, so you will be provided the interface of that application so that you can use different features of that application. So in this way you can interact with the software. For example, if you have to call to someone using your smartphone, then generally you open your call pad, and on the call pad you type the phone number of the person. So at that place you will find different buttons having number or digits written on it. So using those buttons you touch there, and those digits will get entered, and in the last you touch the call button so that you can call to that person. So that whole thing is actually interface of the calling pad application in your mobile. So every software provides a certain interface so that you can interact with that software. So I will show this in this video in later part. So in computer, interfaces can be of two types. The first one is graphical user interface, and the second one is command user interface. So nowadays, means in present time, we are using this graphical user interface. But in older computers, there was no any graphical user interface. So at that time we use uh, CUI based interface, means command user interface. Now what is graphical user interface? So when an interface consists of pictures, icons, windows, menus, and other graphics, so it will be considered as a graphical user interface. So there are various elements that are present in GUI. So these can be icons, pictures, uh, boxes like text box, list box, check box, radio button. So these are your uh, graphical user interface elements. For example, the interface provided in Windows OS and in your smartphone, that is graphical user interface. Now the next one is CUI, means command user interface. Means in this type of interface you cannot find any graphics, no any color, no icon, no boxes. You cannot use even your mouse there. Means every time you will need a keyboard to type your command to do any operation. It is also known as CLI, means command line interface. For example, DOS. DOS here means disk operating system. So I will show this DOS in this video after some time. Now let us move back to the desktop so that I can show you different GUI elements and various uh, commands for command line interface. So here you can see this is one application, and in this application, this is the interface provided for working. Means here you can see these are the tab buttons, and these are the various tools here. This is the title bar. So this is all, these are the parts of graphical user interface. Now this is the desktop of my computer. So desktop is the first screen that will show when you start your computer. So on the desktop you can see these small pictures. So these small pictures are actually icons. Icons are actually shortcuts uh, with which you can open a software directly from here. Now move here in the below section. So this is a rectangular area. This rectangular area is actually taskbar, and on the taskbar, the leftmost part you can see is the start button, and these are also shortcuts, and these are known as quick launches. And here you can see notification area. In this you can see the volume keys, uh, power notification, internet notification, and in the last you can see date and time. So uh, here on the icon, if you double click, so that particular application will open. Now I am going to show you some more GUI elements. So you can see here these are the buttons uh, upon which you can click to do any operation in your computer. And here you can see a text box where you can type to uh, search anything. So all these things are a part of this graphical user interface. Now I am going to show you uh, command line interface, CLI, or command user interface. For this I have to open disk operating system. So now you can see here this is your CUI, means command user interface, and here you cannot find any picture, icon, desktop background. All you have to do is to type your command to perform any operation. So this is what the older computer looks like. You can still find such type of computers in railway reservation counters. For example, you can say if I give a command like help and press enter, then you can see these are the various commands. And if you want to clean all these message from here, then you have to type CLS command. And if you want to close this, then you have to type exit command. So it means every time there is need of to type commands, so that you can do anything using this DOS operating system. So now I am going to show you uh, how to use run command in the computer. So to access run command, you have to type here run. So here you can see run command appear, and here in this box you can type a particular command to open a particular application. For example, if you want to open notepad, then you have to type notepad and then click on this OK button. So using run command, you can open Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or any application you want. Now I am going to show you some useful feature from this start button. So if you click on this start button, so this section will appear, and from here you can open every applications present in your computer. And here you can see there is a special button to shut down your computer. And if you click here, then here other options also appear, like log off, switch user, to lock your computer or restart your computer, like this. So in the last I am going to show you a very interesting feature, that is gadgets. So here on the desktop you cannot find any gadget I have used here, but I am going to show you how to use gadgets. So right click anywhere on the desktop, and here you can see this gadgets option, so click here. So now you can see several gadgets are present, and you can choose any gadget of your choice. For example, if I want to have this clock on my desktop, so I will choose this gadget and double click on it. So now you can see a clock appears on my desktop. So that is how you can insert any gadgets of your choice from this gadgets option. So that's all students for this video. Thank you all.